So today, I want to talk about the classic Luxembourg Schmier. It's basically a slice of bread with some sort of topping spread, that is, schmiered atop it. Voila, your basic schmier. But it can be so much more. Like this, or this, or this. Like Luxembourg itself, the possibilities, diversities, and varieties are limitless. I bring this up because I'm collaborating with the Chambre d'Agriculture, and together we have created an awesome, tasty schmier recipe using all locally grown products. And I'll be revealing that recipe on Sunday, July 5th at the Foire Agricole in Edelbrook. And the ingredients are right here. Psych, I'm not going to reveal the ingredients. You got to come to the Foire Agricole to find out. Now, let's talk about you for a moment. Do you have a favorite schmier recipe made with all local ingredients? If so, share it in the comments section and you could win 2 tickets to the Foire Agricole. See this video's description for complete details. Thank you for joining me, and I sure hope to see you at the Foire Agricole on Sunday, July 5th. Addy ciao, tip top.